Okay, let me get busy working on this project this morning. Redoing my walking path in this garden bed area. Okay, I have my bed cleaned out, ready to put my plastic down and my fabric barrier down and my stone walk path back in place. Okay, still got a few little weeds in that area there, but I'm gonna get them cleaned out. Let me get ready to lay down. Decided I'm gonna put, instead of just putting the weed barrier fabric down, I was gonna put some black plastic down to try to keep this area fully clear of the weeds, where that plastic will kill off those weeds, and then put the weed barrier on top with an added, make it be an added protection from the weeds trying to grow back up. Then I lay my stone back in place, and then I'm gonna put in some little stone pebbles in between my stone walk path. Give it a nice look. Okay, let me get busy doing this morning. Now the weed barrier fabric and the plastic covering is all down on one side. Now I'm getting ready to lay down my stone walk path back in place. Then I'll tackle that other side. Okay, I have my stone walk path back in place with the black plastic and the weed barrier fabric underneath it. Now all I have to put in is my stone gravel pebbles in between the stone walk path, make it look prettier. Got one side almost finished. Now I gotta tackle this side. Laying my plastic and my weed barrier and my stones back in place. It's gonna look nice. And gonna help for sure, I'm hoping, kill off all of those weeds that was growing up in between my walk path. Okay, I have both sides walkways laid down now. I'm gonna add some straw mulch covering over this area here, so when it rains it won't be splattering up the mud up on the plants, and it'll keep the moisture in. Let me do that before I put my pebbles, stone pebbles down between the walkway. Looking nice, looking nice. Okay, it's getting hot out here and I'm getting tired. I'm gonna come back later and lay the little gravel along the walkway. But I got my straw mulch set in place. We're supposed to get some rain today. I was trying to get all of this done before we have this heavy rain coming our way. So it'll lay down the straw good in this area. Okay, I'm soon get it finished. I'll come back to this area later. It's gonna look nice when everything is completed. Oh, it looks so nice now. I have all the little gravel pebbles down around the stone walk path, and it looks nice. And let's see how this is gonna work with keeping the weeds coming back up around the stone walk path. Looks good.